What's going on, guys? Well, I came outside because it was hot all day today. It was like 90 degrees, sweating, and we got our first kind of summer storm rolling in. Just got cool, wind really picked up. You know, time of the summer when you're just sweating all day and you feel that breeze pick up, you just know it's going to rain. It's that time right now. So the entire sky got nice and gray. It's already drizzling. Feels good. It's nice and cool now. So I want to come out and for the first time in a long time, smoke a pipe. So if you've never seen this before, this is the Bulldog Meerschaum, and I got this from my parents for Christmas. Absolutely love this pipe. There we go. That's nice and focused. So we got the Bulldog Meerschaum pipe, and this one is in Churchill, so nice long stem. And I broke out some aged tobacco. I got some Boswells. Boswell's make some of the best pipe tobacco in the world. I've had dozens and dozens of different types of pipe tobacco. Every blend I've ever had from Boswell's has been totally spot on. I wish one day I can actually visit them. They are in Pennsylvania, just not around the block or anything, so I will make a trip one day. But this one is their Peaches and Cream. And this one has probably 4 or 5 years aging on it. Oh, that smells good. It smells real sweet. Smells creamy. Not specifically like peach, just kind of a fruity thing going on there, but fruit and cream. Yeah, it's still perfectly moist. This was stored inside of a mason jar. I do have a little bit of Boswell's left. Besides this, I have their chocolate cream and a little bit of their Northwoods stored in a separate container. The Northwoods, right now with the wind picking up and everything, it just smells like earth. It smells like a good rainstorm. That Northwoods might have been a better choice, but either way, this is, I'm sure it's going to be good. So I'm going to pack this bowl up here, and I'm just going to smoke it a little bit. I don't know if I've ever done, I'm pretty sure I've never done a review on this particular pipe tobacco, so maybe we'll talk about it. And that's what this video will be, a review of this tobacco. Alright, so I got my bowl packed up. I don't know if you guys ever seen my method. Not my method that I came up with, but once I get the bowl packed how I want, I do a little twist. That kind of intermingles all the little bits in this ribbon cut so it stays lit. That's a good pack. Really tastes it already. Alright, so let's zip lock this bag. Yeah, I'm telling you, Boswell's. Never had it before. Good stuff. Pennsylvania company. Alright. Got my mini Bic. I got my tamper. I think we're ready to go. Got my allergies. You have to excuse me if I'm sniffling in this video. Alright, here we go. Alright. All charred up. Just tamping that down. That is good. Bowl's already getting warm. I definitely had to wait for this time of day with a little storm rolling in, because when I'm sweating in the middle of the day, last thing I want to do is smoke a cigar, or specifically a pipe, because it does usually stay nice and warm in your hand. So not a fun hot day activity for me. So my initial impressions is sweet. I can taste the peach, even though I couldn't smell it. I can certainly taste it there. Alright, one more. Let's get this bowl rolling. So yeah, I mean, so far it's just sweet. It's a little dry. It's not super creamy how it smells, but it tastes good. Just want to make sure I smoke this slow. I'm waiting for like the heavy rains and the big winds and the thunder. God, I'm a sucker for a good thunderstorm in the middle of summer. I love that. I remember as a kid playing with my friends and being like super hot and just sweating and like being tired and not really wanting to do much because it was so hot. And the second those winds pick up, you could smell it. You could smell the rain coming in the air. It's that kind of dirt, I don't know, earth. That's all I could say. It's just wet earth just coming up in your nose. It's an exciting moment because then that finally cools off for the day and you go out and, as a kid, play in the rain, you know, get all dirty and wet. Last time I was out playing in the rain, I caught it on video. That was my video I did of washing the car while it was raining. I was trying to take advantage of the free water, and it was freezing outside, so I went out with a bucket of soapy water, scrubbed the car down, got it nice and clean. However, it stopped raining before, you know, the soap was off of it, which didn't work out for me. The room note is phenomenal on this. It's just like really sweet and creamy and fruity, not specifically peach, just kind of a fruit thing going on. But smells great. Kind of like coffee. It always smells just a little bit better than it tastes. Tastes good, but nothing like that smell. So what I'm gonna do is, actually, I'm gonna tamp this again. I'll sit back, relax, enjoy the waterfall, puff on this, and I'll get back to you when the bowl's done. See you in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back. Smoked my bowl. Only lasts about 15 minutes or so. It's not a super deep bowl. I mean, it's like pinky first knuckle. Kind of a smaller diameter too, but awesome pipe. It does smoke a little bit hot. Probably just the Meerschaum as opposed to briar. I always found that this Meerschaum pipe felt like it was smoking a little bit hotter than the briar pipes that I use, but still awesome pipe. Absolutely beautiful. Starting to color a little bit. It'll be many years before it actually fully colors. But yeah, as far as this tobacco goes, it is awesome. Very good stuff. Definitely sweet, but it kind of finishes a little bit drier than I remember. In other words, like I'm not tasting the creaminess. You could smell it. The room note is extremely creamy and fruity. The flavor here though is just kind of like a dry peach and tobacco. Still really good though. I like it. I don't know if the aging did something there with this tobacco. Like obviously if you go get this fresh right now, if they even still have this blend, it might be slightly different now that this is, you know, 5 or 6 years old. But yeah, I mean, it's still very, very good top shelf tobacco. Highly recommend anything from them though. You can see their address on the package here if you want to check it out or check out their website or something. I know Boswell pipes are very sought after, very collectible, very good smoking pipes. But yeah, they're in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. I know sometimes the pipe community, they've made trips in the past. I don't know if they still do that. A lot of pipe smokers on YouTube used to gather and meet there and do like kind of meetups, which is really cool. Never got a chance to do one of those. I know the Polish Piper here on YouTube. If you don't watch him, definitely check out his channel. He used to go there with a bunch of guys, and I used to love those videos. I always wanted to go, but can never find the time. But anyway, yeah, Boswell's as a whole, always a thumbs up. Never had anything bad from them. This particular one with 5 or 6 years on it, pretty good, but like I said, drier than I remember. That might have something to do with that aging. It's super smooth. It's just not like, I can't taste that creaminess, you know, like it smells. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by, watching me smoke a pipe. If that was entertaining to you, awesome. If it was a little educational on tobacco, even better. If you guys have a new pipe tobacco that you've been enjoying lately, let me know down in the comments what it is, and if I get a chance, I'll check it out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.